Hi kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mia Yurka here, and we are back with another video. I am so sorry it's been a while, but your girl has been very busy getting engaged. Yes girl, but this is a whole totally different video. In today's video guys, I am back to you guys with a hair review. This company reached out to me and they wanted me to do a review on their product, and this is the company right here. It's called Arabella Hair, and I am super thrilled and excited to try their product. I watch a lot of reviews about their product and it seems like a really good company. Guys, the honest truth, you guys know I always bring the truth to you guys when it comes to product reviews, so we're gonna do this. If this is your first time on my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, click on the notification bell for future videos. To all my subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I love you guys so dearly. So how are we gonna work on this, guys? I'm gonna first show you what comes in the box, and then we're gonna go ahead and install the wig so we can see how it looks on me, right? They also sent me these lashes that I'm rocking right now. They are so gorgeous and I love them because they look so natural and they're not too long. They look perfect. They look perfect. Anyway, I'm so excited guys to do this review. You guys just don't know. So let me go ahead and turn my camera around so I can show you guys what comes in the box, and then we're gonna go ahead and install the wigs. Stay tuned. I'll see you in a few. So we are back. Here is how the box looks like. It doesn't look cheap, but once again it doesn't look luxurious, but it's very decent. As you guys can see, have like some damage here, and I'm sure it's from the shipping. From here they have like their Facebook, so they're telling you they have Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and YouTube channel. You guys can check that out in my description box below. And this is how the box look, guys. I love it. Arabella, bloom your beauty. So now let's open this bad boy. I opened it already. That's how I got the first the lashes that I'm wearing right now. So this is how it looks. So the first thing we have is the beautiful pink pouch with their logo on there. I don't know if you guys can see it. And let me open this. Ooh, they are very generous, guys, with their with the little goodies. Look at this. They give us a wig cap, like a nude color, I can say. I'm gonna use everything, guys, in this box. I'm not gonna use anything else. That way you guys can see when you order it, you know, how it's gonna come. I'm not sure what exactly this is. This looks like probably like a bandana. Why not? Let's just open it so you guys can see. But I love the color and I love flowers. So hold on, guys. Sorry, excuse me. Ooh. Oh, that's very cute. Look at this. I love it. Next, they give you the baby hair brush, and they have it in purple. I love purple. Some hair clips. Ooh, that looks nice. Look at this, guys. Black and white. Polka dots. You can never go wrong with the polka dots. Yeah, so they sent me 2 lashes. It was $2 like this. And I have one on right now, and this is the second one. You see, that doesn't look like, for me, doesn't. I hear people saying, oh, you know, they look cheap. They don't look cheap to me. They look really nice. You just need to know how to apply it. But I love it. Let's get to the hair. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So the hair coming like this. I have a 18-inch. When they reached out to me, they asked me, they sent me, I guess, 3 different type of hair, and they asked me to choose the one that I would like to do the review on. So I ended up choosing like a loose wave. So this is a natural color. It's a loose wave. It's not a 360 hair. This one is it's a 4x4 lace frontal. This is like a 4x4. It's poured in the middle, as you guys can see. Their lace is very transparent. Look at this. It's super transparent. So I love that so far, and it's like stretchy. That's how you know you have some good lace frontal. Look at this. It's look like it's kind of pre-plucked, but I would have to do more plucking on it to make sure it kind of like fits, you know, make it looks more natural. If we look inside of here, it have like a big black band. So this is something that you can wear every day. You don't have to literally you don't have to glue it in or anything. I'm sure you can just put it without gluing it in. And as you guys can see, it had like 4 combs inside of it, 1 in the back, 2 on the side, and 1, oh wow, it's in the middle of the head, because they give you all that space here so you can manipulate the hair when you put it on. So that's really creative. I love that. And as you can see, the hair is well sewed. It's not bulky or anything like that. And you also have the extra band that look like a strap band if you want extra security and stuff. But I'm thinking with this band alone, you should have enough security and stuff. The hair, guys, looks very beautiful. It feels so soft, and it looks great. It looks shiny. It looks heavy, and it's volumey, which is one thing I love when I have, you know, wig or weave on. I love volume, and this is very volumey. I'm thinking it's probably 150 width, kind of. Hold on. Yeah. So I'm not sure exactly, but it's really thick, guys. It's really thick, and I love the curl pattern. And the color is natural, and because it's human hair, if you want to dye it, you can, you know, dye it different color. Keep in mind, if you're gonna be dyeing it using like lighter color, you know, get ready, you know, for the hair to probably get damaged. I'm sure that happened with even your natural hair, so be mindful of that before you do that. But I'm just gonna show it to you guys like that. I'm not gonna do anything to it, so you guys can see how it looks. Especially not everybody are wig savvy or know how to do anything with the wig. So if you're looking for like a wig that look natural, I think this is really good. So far it's looking good. Now you guys, I have to try it on so I can see how, you know, the finished look. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera over again. We're gonna go to the bathroom and watch me try it on. I'm probably gonna have a voiceover with the try on, because the light in my bathroom, I mean, when you turn the light on, it's making so much noise. So it's probably gonna be more like a voiceover. Okay, so let's get to this. All right, ladies, just like I mentioned earlier, I had to do a voiceover for this part because the light in my bathroom, guys, when you turn on the light, the vent is so loud, it's ridiculous. But anyway, so the style of braiding I'm doing, I'm just braiding my hair straight back. As you guys can see, I'm not doing anything fancy, because at the end of the day, this wig is created for you to just put on and take off. You know, you don't have to sleep with it or anything like that. So this is why I'm braiding, you know, the cornrows going straight back. I'm not doing anything fancy, because at the end of the day, we're just gonna apply a wig cap on it. I just want you guys to see how it looks on me. And this is it, guys. I'm just gonna let some music play in the background while you guys watch me put this wig together and slay it. If you have any questions, any comments, please make sure you go ahead and comment in the box below. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, because this is the way you can support my channel. Like and comment in the section below. That way the YouTube algorithm can keep on pushing my video forward. Thank you so much for your support, guys. I'm gonna put some music for you, and I guess I will see you after I hook this wig up. All right, guys, enjoy. really do anything to the hair. Right now, it's not even glued down. Okay, it's not even glued down, so you can like remove it if you want to, and it's all secured down by the comb that I showed you guys that is installed in the wig. Okay, so if you're that kind of person, you want extra security, or you go into the pool party, you're gonna get wet and you want extra security, you can just use the Gatsby glue spray and just, you know, for extra security, but you don't even need it. I don't even, look at this. You can use this as an everyday hair. Go home, take it off, going out, put it back on, boo boo. Put it back on. The hair's so flawless. Look at that curl. Guys, come on. Arabella, beautiful. I love it. 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 You can tell me nothing? Can you tell me something right now? Nope, you can't. You can't tell me nothing. So, let's talk about, I'm so excited, I'm looking so good with this hair. But let's talk about some stuff that I realized when I was fixing the hair. It sheds, okay? But I guess it's because it's brand new, okay? So it's shed a little, but right now, as I'm touching it, it's not shedding. It's not shedding right now. But when I first started brushing it out, and like I said, I think it's because it's brand new, so you can see shedding, but right now, I'm not seeing anything, and I'm pulling really hard. I'm pulling really hard. So I guess that was when I first opened it, but it looks nice. It looks beautiful. It has a lot of volume in it. It looks shiny, and it's so easy to install, guys. So if you're looking for an everyday wig, and you're that type of person like myself who have very sensitive scalp, and you want something to just go out, look cute, and then come back home, take it off, this is really nice. Like I said, it's not a 360 type of wig, but it looks really good. It looks really good. So if you know how to, you know, do your wig and install your hair, this is the hair. And mind you, I'm not even like a professional. And look, and like I said, all I've done to this hair is just like play with the baby hair a little, so I can make more baby hair and stuff. You probably, if you want more baby hair like myself, you probably will have to create more baby hair for yourself. And that's it. And that's it. Maybe I probably will be able to do more style with it in the future. I'll keep you updates. I have to do like another video where I kind of like mention them in there. So I'll let you guys know. But so far, like, it looks beautiful. I love it. Thank you, Arabella, for the hair. Once again, all the information is gonna be in the description box below. Check them out. You know, the hair is affordable. They give you mad discount. So go ahead and check them out. This is the company, guys. Arabella. I love it. I love it. Send me more hair. I love this. I really want to try maybe like a straight hair with them, but this loose wave, guys. It's a loose wave, natural color. I didn't dye it. I didn't do anything to it. 18-inch. I'm gonna show you guys some pictures. Like, baby, I'm ready to go out right now, babe. We are going out with this hair. I'm not gonna waste this hair. It's beautiful. Look how my face changed. Ooh, I really look like a fiancé now for sure. Looks beautiful. I love it. Thank you so much, Arabella, for giving me this opportunity. I love the hair. The product is really great. Keep up the great work. Keep up the great work. I truly love it. The review that I've seen online, it's really good. Like, sometimes you have to try some for yourself to see, like the truth. And I will definitely purchase some stuff from them. I definitely want to try their 360 weave, because I see some people are doing it or working on it, but I love my hair. Do you? Let me know. Let me know in the comment below. Do you like it? I love you guys. Thank you, Arabella. Thank you for your support, and thank you to all my subscribers, guys. This is the end of the video. Stay and watch the pictures, because I'm gonna be taking some nice pictures and post it for you guys. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.